Here at the Office of Civil Rights and Title IX, we're on a mission to create a university environment free from discrimination, harassment, and sexual misconduct, where all people are treated with dignity and respect. Courageous Conversations is an initiative designed to educate Gamecocks about the Office of Civil Rights and Title IX and the reporting options available at the University of South Carolina. This video will explain how to report discrimination, harassment, or sexual misconduct, while also offering guidance on how to navigate difficult conversations with care and empathy.
So how are you doing today?
I'm so glad you asked that. I could be better.
What's going on?
So, Jamie made a few comments about my age. I don't know, it just felt off. So she even said something about like my age as to not being young enough for a executive vice president position.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, I can see why that would bother you.
So I'm just wondering, like, if I'm overthinking this, or, you know, like, am I doing too much?
No, you are not overthinking it. You know, I can see why somebody talking that way would make you uncomfortable. And you know, when people are making comments that have to do with your career, that can hit really hard.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I don't want to get Jamie in any trouble, but I just don't know what I'm supposed to do in this moment.
I hear you. And I think a lot of people worry about that when they know somebody said something that's not necessarily appropriate. So I do understand where you're coming from, but you have options as an employee. I don't know if you've heard of the Office of Civil Rights and Title IX.
No, I haven't.
No? Okay. Yeah, they did a presentation this past summer, and what I liked about civil rights is I feel like what they're trying to do over there is give people options. You know, they want you to feel like you have choices, like you are the person that's in control of how your process goes, and I really appreciate that about them. They even have an option where you, if you wanted, could talk with Jamie, with a mediator, and when they have mediators, it's not about punishing anybody or somebody getting into some kind of trouble. I think the conversation is just designed to make sure that Jamie will have an understanding of how what she said affected you.
That makes me feel a lot better about going through with a process or reaching out to them. Where's their office located?
They are in the Burns building. They are right across the street from the Horseshoe. And I think they're on the 4th floor in the Burns building. And so if you're interested, we could go over there after lunch, or if you'd rather do something online, we could check out their online reporting form. What I love about that office is when they get a report from somebody, they reach out like right away or first thing the next morning. And so you would get somebody that would reach out to you, they will offer you options, offer you support. What do you think?
Yeah, that actually sounds good. I actually like that.
Fantastic.
I'd rather do online though, if that's an option. You stated that was an option.
Absolutely. Oh, that is fantastic. So because they are the Civil Rights Office, they have our Civil Rights webpage here at USC. And so where we'll go to fill out your report is we will go to sc.edu/civil rights. And there's their reporting form right there.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah.
Well, I hope this helps. I'm so glad you asked me about that. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah, thank you for listening. And it actually does help. So, you said you could help me fill out the form?
Absolutely. Let's get started.
Yeah.
After you submit the online form, someone from our office will reach out. You don't have to have everything figured out. We are here to help.
Good morning, Sophia. Thank you so much for coming by to see me. I received your email, so I just wanted to sit down and chat and see what was going on.
Hi, Mr. Wilson. Yeah, I haven't been doing so great. What happened was a few weeks ago, I went to this frat party, and there was this guy, and what happened, I wasn't really okay with it.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing that. But before you go any further, I just want to let you know that as working for the university, that I'm a mandated reporter. So if you're going to share anything concerning sexual misconduct, sexual harassment, stalking, I have to report that. So are you okay with moving forward with the conversation?
Yeah, I'm not here to report anything. I just wanted someone to understand why I've been falling behind.
Yeah, I know that this can all feels, it can be just a lot. So I don't want to put a lot on you. Just wanted to share that I am a mandated reporter. But the Office of Civil Rights and Title IX, they are here to support you, and it doesn't catapult you into a process, a investigation when you go over there. So I will have to report it, but thank you for sharing, and I understand that your classes that you're trying to get caught up and you have fallen behind. So it I understand. So I'm here to support you.
What's a mandated reporter?
Yeah. So a mandated reporter is anyone that works for the institution that is in a position that is not a confidential office. Confidential offices will be psychiatrist or the Save It office. However, for me, I have to share anything that falls under sexual misconduct, sexual harassment here at the institution.
Okay, yeah, well, I just keep replaying the night in my head. Like, maybe if I would have did something differently or left earlier, that I could have stopped it. So, I think that's very helpful.
Yeah. And I'm sorry that it happened to you, but I want to let you know that it's not your fault. Responsibility lies to the person that caused the harm. So it's not your fault. We're here to support you. The Office of Civil Rights and Title IX, they have those that are in the office that are skilled to ensure that you get the supportive measures as well as know your resolution options for moving forward.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Are you interested in walking over to their office to speak with someone?
Please, I don't think I could do it by myself.
Yeah. I'm free. I'm willing to walk over there and someone will be able to talk with you more about the supportive measures and the resolution options moving forward.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds
Let's go.
good. Thank you.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah, actually, can you talk for a minute?
Yeah, what's up?
Something happened last night. I wasn't expecting it and I didn't ask for it.
Well, if you feel comfortable, would you want to tell me what happened?
I told them to stop and I just froze. I keep replaying it and thinking maybe I did something wrong.
No, you didn't do anything wrong, and I'm really sorry to hear that happened.
What do I do?
Well, have you ever thought about getting supports on campus?
Like a therapist?
No, I was really thinking about the Office of Civil Rights and Title IX. They can refer you to a counselor, and my friend, she even got academic support.
I've never heard of them.
Well, we can call them,
Okay.
and I'll pull up the number.
Just don't want to mess anything up.
Yeah, you won't mess anything up. I mean, if you need to take a break or walk out, whatever you need to do,
Okay. Thank you.
no problem. Only thing you have to do when you call, you'll give them your name and then ask questions about reporting options and support. And from there, we'll take it one step at a time.
Okay. Thank you.
Knowing what to say and what support is available can make a real difference.